Today in my Triumph vlog, I'm going to be stripping down this passenger side door. These little clips, I've got to be very careful not to flick them off and lose them. Being a convertible, some of the stiffness of the chassis has to be carried through the doors, which is why these pieces are here. So these help to transfer some of the stiffness that's lost by not having a roof back through the door. I've showed how this jump starter pack can jump start a car and be a saviour in the garage for that. Here's another thing it can do. Running a little bit low on battery on the camera, pop that into here, press the button, she's charging. I've been having a great deal of trouble getting these window runners to disconnect from the window regulator. I've had a close look at the runner tracks and it looks like the runner tracks have been really abused and out of shape. I'm going to get a bit destructive in this and I'm going to drill the rivets that hold the little runner wheels in place to dislodge that from the window regulator. You can see down there forward of the runner wheel that the whole thing's out of shape as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a drill and drill this little rivet off, pop it off, and hopefully that'll allow me to remove the window without any more hassles. You can see the damage along that runner there. That's pretty bad over here as well. There's a good chance I'm going to have to replace this whole runner piece here, which is something new to me. I've never done that before. I don't think straightening this out is going to work very well. That's something to look forward to. I'm going to see if I can take all of this out without disassembling the linkages. I feel like it might be simpler for putting it back in. Looks like just taking these two nuts off here, removing that U bracket, and then hopefully the whole lot will just pop out through that hole there. Now I lost two of the weather trim clips down in here somewhere, so now's a good time to retrieve those. There's one. There it is down in there. Let's see if I can reach it. And there we have it. One disassembled door. Thanks for watching. Until next time. See you later.